monatomic ions. So let's talk about names and formulas and what a monatomic ion is. So as we learn in Greek prefixes, mono means one. So a monatomic ion would be an one atom ion. It can be either an anion or a cation. And the charge of the monatomic ion is also known as the oxidation number or an oxidation state. So remember, if you hear charge or oxidation number, you can also be called an oxidation state, and they all mean the same thing. So if you're naming a monatomic cation, remember those are alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals, your transition metals, and the boron family. It's just going to be element name and then the word ion. For transition metals, remember you have to have the charge in Roman numerals and brackets right attached to the element name. For an anion, it's the element root plus ide. So that is your nitrogen family, your oxygen family, and your fluorine family. And so that would be like nitride, oxide, and fluoride. So when we're looking at it, column 1, they lose 1 electrons and they form 1 plus ions. Column 2, they form 2 plus ions because they lose 2 electrons. Columns 3 through 12 are your transition metals, and you have to be provided the charge. Column 13, they tend to lose 3 electrons to form 3 plus ions. Carbon 14, the charges vary, and they have to be given the charge in Roman numerals, or you have to be provided the charge. Column 15, the elements gain 3 electrons and they form -3 ions. Column 16, they gain 2 electrons to form -2 ions. In column 17, they gain 1 electron to form -1 ion. Column 18 does not form ions at all. They are already noble. So let's talk about some examples. So if we're looking at an Li1+, that is a lithium ion. Li2+, I'm sorry, Mg2+, Mg is magnesium, so it's a magnesium ion. Fe2+, iron is a transition metal, so it's an iron 2 ion. B3+ is a boron ion. Sn2+, it's one of those under the carbon family that acts like a transition metal, so it's tin 2 ion. Anions, you'll never have Roman numerals for, so N3- is nitride, S2- is sulfide, PO2- is polonide, Sp3- is antimoniide. Remember, you're dropping the Y and leaving the I for antimoniide, and Br1- is bromide.